Hi, hello everyone. How are you? Hope you are doing good. Welcome to the Software Services channel, guys. Let us discuss something useful today. We already completed Basics of Cloud Computing series, guys, in which I elaborately discussed, at the basic level, what is cloud, what is public cloud, private cloud, and all the, on-premises, public cloud services, right? So, what are all the advantages, disadvantages, everything I had covered. So now I am excited to start tutorials on Google Cloud. Okay, so one of the growing uh, cloud service provider in the footprint of cloud computing, guys. So it's another than Google Cloud. It's growing very very big time. Okay, I'm from Google Cloud background only, right? So hence, I'm interested to share some of my knowledge to all of you guys. Okay. So, the prerequisite of this Google Cloud series is like, this one, friends. So, without going through the basics of cloud computing series, you can't understand whatever I'm going to tell in these tutorials. Okay, so these basics of cloud computing tutorials is very very must. Okay, so you please watch this. So let me point out later. Okay, please watch this series in my YouTube channel. Okay, so after gaining the knowledge of basics of cloud computing, then only come and watch this series. Okay, then only it will appealing to you. Otherwise, uh, you cannot get much out of these tutorials, friends. Okay, so let's start. Yeah. So first things first, what is Google Cloud? Right. As discussed, the cloud is a pool of uh, resources. Resources in the sense the hardware and software and all the computing resources that is needed to run an application. Okay, so then what is Google Cloud? In the sense, Google Cloud is a public cloud computing service offered by the Google. Okay, these cloud services can be uh, you know uh, it is open to all the public. Anybody can come and register in the Google Cloud website and can rent the computer resources and use those resources to deploy their applications. Okay, that's the whole. So Google Cloud, in short, is a public cloud computing services. It's offered by whom? Google. So it's owned by Google, in which most of the services which we are using daily in our daily life, like Google Maps, YouTube, Gmail, all these things are deployed on the infrastructure, right? Or the same infrastructure they are leasing to the general public, right? So you can imagine how much powerful that infrastructure. Okay, some billions of users uh, daily use those Gmails, Maps around the globe. So that much scalability Google is having, right? So we can hire, lease, or rent those infrastructure services to deploy our applications. Okay, so that is the whole idea, and so it is other way called as with the other name GCP. As in a short, GCP means Google Cloud Platform, friends. Okay, so it will offer, right, the computing power, the storage, databases, machine learning, networking, big data, all the data analytics, whatnot. So we can get all these services uh, for our end use, right? Yeah, and to gain access to the Google Cloud, what we should do. Okay. So first of all, we need to register uh, with the Google Cloud. An user has to register with the Google Cloud, like how a user can register, right? So let me make it as user user registration. Right. Okay. So how an user can register with the Google Cloud, right? Uh, so first we need to go to the Google Cloud website, and here as shown cloud.google.com, and then there we can see a button called uh, get started for free. Okay, free. That one button will be there. We have to click that button, and we need to log in to that Google account. So many people will be already having the Google account, such as Gmail. So if you are already having the Google account with you, so you can log in by making use of that your Gmail ID. Otherwise, you need to create a new Google account, right? And then after that, we need to provide our preliminary information, like so what is the person name, what is the address, phone number, and the credit card details. So here you need to listen concentratedly. Like, we need to provide credit card details for verification purposes only. So first of all, for first 90 days, Google Cloud will give us $300 free credits. That means in Indian currency, almost 25,000 rupees. They will give for free. For how much time? 90 days, first 3 months. So that we can try the Google Cloud services, and we can deploy our applications on top of Google Cloud services. And so let us see the performance. So if the performance is good, we can continue. Okay. So after 3 months of exhausting these 300 USD, the credit card details which you have given, that will be used by Google Cloud for charging the uh, bills, right? So till then, you won't be charged. Only after the expiry of this of 300 credits, then only your credit card will be taken for further billing purposes. Okay. And so after that, we need to agree to the terms and conditions of the Google Cloud, and then you need to verify your account. So that some verification code will come to the email, like, and you need to provide that code to complete the registration process, right? And after that, finally, you will be provided access to the Google Cloud platform. So where we need to log in the sense, we need to go to the web browser and type console.cloud.google.com. So in which, so you will be logged inside to the Google Cloud. Hey, congratulations, guys! You first time you did it, right? So after doing all these things, you will log into the Google Cloud console, and you can use the services. Okay. So I will just walking you through all those very high level steps. In the next class, I will tell practically by showing how we can register, do registration and billing setup also. So you will get some screen something like that if you go to the cloud.google.com. So you need to click this button, start free, so that you will get this $300 free credits for first 90 days, first 3 months. Okay. And yeah, so you'll get these 300 free trial credits to try. So what is Google Cloud? How the things will work in the Google Cloud, right? And then so if you do all those registrations and everything, you can get the access to almost 150 plus products available in the GCP. So I will interchangeably use Google Cloud and the GCP. So both are same. So you will get access to AI and machine learning services, and compute services, storage services, databases, data analytics, networking, developer tools, security. Very, very amazing, superb services, guys. Okay. So, yeah. So, this is what you can get after login. Based on your use case, you can work on your needed service. Okay. And in the next class, I will show you practically how a user can do registration step by step. So till then, bye bye, friends, and yeah. So I forget to uh, discuss some of the things regarding the billing model. So let's complete it also. Pay as you go model. Its billing model is based on pay as you go. That means it's a similarly an utility bill, paying an utility bill, for example, electricity bill. Like so, whatever we use, the for that amount only we need to pay. So otherwise, we need not pay. So that is how the Google Cloud works. So it is not like upfront costs and doing the same things, right? There is no rent. I mean upfront costs, okay, and commitments like a traditional billing model. And whatever you use for that resources, whatever you consume, that uh, amount only you need to pay, right? And then it is a very granular level billing, friends. You can break down your billing reports monthly by service, project, and individual level resource. Also, you can filter out. So, if you use some 10, 12 services, so which service costs billed how much, and then the automatic savings also. The more you use a resource, the more discounts you can get. That is technically called sustained use discounts. So we'll discuss all those billing concepts in our further classes, guys. And so regarding the flexibility and scalability, so pay as you go model is very much fantastic, friends. So whatever we need, we will use, right? So if we have on some Fridays, maybe the traffic is very more. We will at that time we will spin up, 10 servers or 20 servers to give a seamless user experience to the all over the world users, right? So on the Mondays or to Tuesdays, if there is a traffic is very low, then what we will scale down our resources usage, maybe 5 servers, right? So like that, so we'll scale up and scale down our resources. The billing also will come like that only. Whatever you use, that you need to pay. It's a flexible um, billing model, guys, right? So these are all the advantages when it comes to uh, cloud computing, technologies. Okay. So in the next class, we will see how we will register into the Google Cloud and set up a billing and do how we can log into the console. Right? So till then, bye bye, friends. Your Svira signing off. Thank you.